Look at this, there's 3,021 members in my trading group and we're killing it. I want to give a few shout outs to my trading group. CBC, thank you so much. I'm up $13,000 this week. Your group's amazing. I made $47,000 in April because of your setups. This person's up 2,400, 1,500, 647%. This person doubled my money after a phone call that we had just yesterday. This person said, I woke up and I had 73% gains in data. Thank you. I woke up with 58% gains while I was sleeping. Another $1,000. That's $4,000 in 7 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button. Trying to get a like spike going. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, to make so much money you don't even know what to do with it all, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with the news that moves the market. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin 12-hour chart. Just understand this idea. You've got a falling wedge. We're at the lower trend line of this. Essentially, it's a rising channel, rising wedge. Right? It's all about to happen. Now, potentially, this could still take another 6 days to play out, just kind of depending how you draw this falling wedge, this white falling wedge. Now, your MACD is starting to curve higher. So if you do get a bullish cross, obviously, you could see another move to the upper trend line here. 68% chance that this white falling wedge breaks to the upside. We've definitely got a massive move coming for Bitcoin. I want to make sure and remind you guys that right now my trading group is 40 to 50% off when you pay in crypto for 6 or 12 months. Also, with 12 months, you do get 1 month free additional to that. This is a 4-hour chart, so the price action's getting squeezed. You got this small little falling wedge. Again, 68%, that breaks higher. Then you got the overhead resistance up here of all the major moving averages on the 4-hour time frame. So even if this breaks higher, it'll take an explosive move to break above not only this upper trend line, but this $9,300 level. And then you could see 9,500, 9,700, 9,800, possibly higher. You've got the same falling wedge on the RSI, which again, there's a school of traders that would basically just pay attention to the patterns that you see on the RSI versus the price action, feeling that they're more legitimate, more valid. I got to give a couple amazing shout outs to people in my trading group. These are big numbers. Just know most people, when they come into the group, they've never traded before. 99% of the people have never traded before. Some people start with $100, $300, $500, and some people start with a lot more. A lot of people have been in crypto. Like I have one person, they've been in crypto. They were buying Litecoin 20 and 30,000 at a time for less than a penny. Right? The commonality is people that have been in crypto for an extended period of time, 4 or 5 years, they're not working. They don't work. They were buying Ethereum for $1. They were buying Litecoin for pennies. Shout out to this person. He's up $109,000 in Link, and ERD up $20,000 in profits. This person stated, I'm up $45,000 this month, and I feel I could be doing better. I wish I could enter every trade. Don't get caught up trying to be in every trade. Like, you just got to have a plan, pick a few setups, stay focused, let them play out, move to the next. Too much going on in this market. You're going to have to specialize and pick some coins with these news ideas we talk about daily are definitely coins that move well. Typical person that joins the group, put 450 in to trade with, and they've increased it to $2,000. Life-changing money. I talked to you guys about ENJ and XLM over the last 2 videos, and you can see green, double-digit green. There's a lot of double-digit green coins last night on Binance. I posted Yo-Yo, like it exploded right after that. It was up 23% for a short period of time. And Basic Attention Token, posted Basic Attention Token. It was one of the Tika picks, and it actually has a really good setup. So this is a hot coin right now. It's called Swipe. They got a lot of news. You're able to manage and deposit, spend your cryptocurrencies with Swipe, manage all assets in one app. They've got a new platform launch coming on August the 1st, SXP staking. So you'll be able to stake and earn SXP. Also, they've got a new platform launch staking. This is big, right? So this happens on August the 1st. Binance actually has them as an accepted crypto for their card that they've developed. Then Coinbase Custody comes out supporting them as well. Also, Swipe has partnered with FTX Exchange, so they're getting in good partnerships. They're all over the news. You've got new listing on Poloniex Swipe token. Remember this, SXP. I'm going to show you the setup in a second. SXP has about $36 million market cap, and they were recently acquired by Binance. The United States is going to allow Swipe to operate likely this year. So again, Binance backing this, and you know Binance has a lot of pull in this market. Again, a lot of people are talking excited about this Binance card, and SXP will be one of the 4 tokens that will be supported. So again, acquired by Binance. Binance is going to come out and they're going to announce staking support, and that's going to move the price. Okay, so just understand this was a setup that I posted originally yesterday, last night, and you've got this big double bottom here. And this is not, hey, buy right now. This is, hey, recreate this chart. These are the important levels over here. You're looking for a breakout of this level, and it did break out shortly thereafter, but I've got a new entry idea. You know, it's always good to get in on a retest. Any of these coins, like if you're buying the pullbacks, you're going to do a lot better. Like, don't chase the top of these giant green candles. So again, SXP did start pumping after I posted this chart, and it's in profits already. Didn't get that retest. It's on Kucoin, Bittrex, Binance, Bithumb, Poloniex now going to be listed over there too. So again, double bottom. You know, a lot of people would say, oh, well, I missed it because I didn't get it down here. But listen, if this market continues to take off, there's a ton of upside for SXP. So don't chase these trades. Don't feel like, if it's pumping hard, don't feel like, you know, you need to throw your money in this market. Look at these wicks. Look at this huge wick. Look at this huge wick. Look at this huge. I'm going to talk to you about buyer exhaustion in just a second, so you understand what these blow off tops mean. And this is an easy way to trick retail into the market. And you know, they're trying to trick us. They're trying to take our money. So it's important to understand this idea. I'm going to discuss it in detail. Exhaustion. When a person's exhausted, they're too tired to continue. And an athlete just kind of hits a wall from muscle fatigue. They just can't perform anymore. Exhaustion implies a state or condition where it's difficult to fight and surrender to the inevitable. The same goes for exhaustion in financial markets. When this happens, traders can expect a trend reversal. Suddenly, all these buyers that are pumping the price, all these buyers become sellers, and then the sellers and the new sellers, which were buyers previously, move the price, and the price pulls back, and you get these huge blow off tops. The long wick theory, and it's a reversal idea because buyers get exhausted. When you see these huge long wicks, that's what happens. Buyers get exhausted and you get huge reversals. And don't chase these trades. Let them come to you. Don't feel like you got to be in every trade. Don't throw money at big giant green candles. You're going to buy the top, and then people are going to take your money. This is ENJ. ENJ's got this kind of expanding, broadening wedge. There's a ton of upside for ENJ. I talked to you guys about the ENJ setup, and it has started to play out. You get this big, like, inverse complex head and shoulders, right? And ENJ's got possibly 70% upside ahead based on that chart. So just remember ENJ, also XLM. I'm going to talk to you about XLM in a second. Again, this is not buy now. You need to find good entry. And then what's going to happen with Bitcoin when Bitcoin moves? Bitcoin's a puppet master, controls this market. These altcoins are at the mercy of Bitcoin. So you just have to have some basic understanding of how to trade these markets, how to essentially definitely have stop losses in place. Managing risks is the number one thing that makes traders successful in this market. RLC, I gave to you guys. You got this little bull flag. Buy the breakout of the bull flag. And you know what? Boom. Here's a bull flag right here. It's up 160% since I gave you guys the setup. We were buying in the trading group, we were buying it even before that. So again, huge gains. I mean, this thing went from 6,000 Satoshis to 20,000 Satoshis, epic gains. But I want to show you is, and this ties into the blow off top idea, follow me here now, when you get this huge rounded parabolic price rise, this sounds like it should be on National Geographic. The parabolic curve is probably one of the most highly prized and sought after patterns. This pattern can yield you the biggest, quickest return in the shortest possible time. Generally, you're going to find these patterns at or near the end of a major market advance. The pattern is a result of multiple base formation breaks. So you get these little bases, these little flags. So instead of buying the pump, you buy inside this accumulation. You got to be able to manage risk. You got to be able to manage stop losses. And you need to, if you're going to front run or buy before the breakout, you can do so. It's aggressive. And if this market is moving like it has been, and you have these parabolic price rises, this parabola exists, and there's a lot of news, and it's a strong altcoin season, man, these play out so well, it's ridiculous, right? Just understanding a few little ideas, you'll make life-changing money, period. Like this stuff, if they would have taught us in school, everybody would be rich, but they don't. Only the elite, the pro traders, smart money. Why is smart money called smart? Because they know this, they understand this, and it's not hard. It's not hard. I talk to you guys and teach you guys this on a daily basis. So again, you got the idea of a blow off top is a huge reversal. There's so many of these charts right now that are going parabolic. It's not always perfect, but the most important thing is, like, as soon as you get this parabola, know that it's going to finish like this. Finish with a huge green candle. Why? You know why? Because retail's looking at Binance app. By the way, if you do not have an account on Binance, what are you doing right now? Get serious. Go to the link in the description. Make a Binance account. These altcoins, this is the easiest money you're going to make in crypto ever. Trade these small altcoins on Binance. If you're in the United States, you may need to use PureVPN. Definitely recommend that as well. But dude, I'm telling you, these parabolic price rises are everywhere right now. RLC, we were buying RLC in the group way back here. And you see, you got this little double bottom, Adam and Eve double bottom. This is a reversal pattern. I talk to you guys about this all the time. Double bottom, double bottom, double bottom. Adam, Eve, double bottom. Broke. This is 4,000 Satoshis. Right now it's at 20,000 Satoshis. 5x'd RLC. Amazing gains. I mean, what did you do in June, Bitcoin? What did you do for the last 6 weeks, Bitcoin? Chop, nothing. I'm telling you, these small caps, micro caps, mid caps are where it's at. Matic Network has started. They're announcing blockchain cuties. It's a pre-sale. It's a non-fungible token sale on Matic. It begins on the 22nd. So blockchain cuties is this NFT collectible game to join, to join the Samsung, big name, blockchain universe. Wait a minute. Blockchain universe? Samsung's got their own blockchain universe. I like how big business, corporate America comes into blockchain and they create their own universe. Mainstream that we want so badly to adopt this is our biggest competition. Watch. But it's cool to see Matic working with Samsung blockchain. United States Senate comes out and they're probing Jack Dorsey, who is the CEO creator of Twitter, because all these people got their accounts hacked. And when I say all these people, Kim Kardashian, Mr. Beast, who is a huge YouTuber, Barack Obama, Joe Biden, Warren Buffett, Jeff Bezos, Mike Bloomberg, Uber, Wiz Khalifa, Floyd Mayweather, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Charlie Lee, Tron, Justin Sun, Coinbase, Kucoin, Bitfinex, Gemini, CZ, all these. And so now the Senate is probing Jack Dorsey. What's going on here? The FBI, they want answers from Jack Dorsey. Bitcoin is on the map, that's for sure. Now, in the news today, Visa partnered with Zap, and they raised $3.5 million to expand Bitcoin payments. Twitter came out and they stated about 130 accounts were targeted in the cyber attack. In Thailand right now, they're already using their central bank's digital currency. The top Spanish banks have finalized the trials of payments using smart contracts. Mainstream adoption, baby, happening every single day. Teller raised $1 million in seed funding to bring credit scores to DeFi. I think that's going to be good. Algorand spikes 30% after a surprise Coinbase listing, the Coinbase effect. Vechain Thor is now listed on Binance. So a lot of people are super hyped on that. Binance Savings just added Vechain and Tezos. Again, these announcements by Binance pump the coins. They've probably already pumped though. I thought this is a really good quote. And I talk to you guys about it all the time, about failure. You know, it's important to fail because success is built because you fail. The most important part here is you cannot repeat the same mistakes over and over and over again without growing, without learning from it. And then at that point, you will overcome your failures and your failures will become success. You've got to push yourself. Nobody else is going to do it for you. Nobody. Remember, we talked about XLM previously. XLM did break out of this setup. Just remember, you had 1 year accumulation. XLM has some upside over time. This is a trend change. Things are changing here. Okay, and so you've got, you know, potentially markup and there's some significant upside over time, assuming Bitcoin acts right. I want to show you this. This is Blockstacks. Now, kind of had a bad taste in my mouth. Blockstacks came out and they said, hey, we're going to have our mainnet launch, and then they pushed it off. And so the price action basically dipped considerably. Now they've moved it to the September the 30th of 2020. There's a ton of AMAs, ton of news behind this coin, so I just kind of want to put it on your map. Blockstacks, and they've got a mining disrupt that's coming on July the 22nd in just a few days. Bitcoin dominance looks like a rising wedge here. If this breaks to the downside and you get downside continuation here, like these altcoins will pump. I mean, we could see 61% Bitcoin dominance in these small and microcap altcoins. It's like boom, alt season, altcoin season to the moon. It's going to be epic. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the videos, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.